Hello friends, today we discuss about metabolism of fructose. There are two pathways for the metabolism of fructose. One occurs in muscle and adipose tissue and other in liver. In muscle and adipose tissue, fructose can be phosphorylated by hexokinase to form fructose 6 phosphate. In liver, the cells contain mainly glucokinase instead of hexokinase, and this enzyme phosphorylates only glucose. Fructose is converted to fructose 1 phosphate by the action of enzyme fructokinase. Fructose 1 phosphate is then split into glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate by the enzyme aldolase. The glyceraldehyde is phosphorylated by triose kinase to glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. DHAP is also converted into glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate by the action of enzyme triose phosphate isomerase, and so both enters into the glycolysis. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.